Are you looking for a career as an investment banker? Get into global investment banks, shaping young minds for the managerial roles for the past 15 years.
Become an expert in financial markets.
Become derivatives analyst. Become corporate action analyst. Get into private equity fund accounting. Become a hedge fund manager.
Currency markets, bonds, and advanced financial instruments.
Getting into high-paying jobs, join PGDM at Planet Finance. A dual specialization, finance and business analytics. Expected pay packages, 0 to 1 year. Experience, 5 to 6 lakhs package. 2 to 5 years experience, 7 to 15 lakhs package. 6 to 10 years experience, 18 to 25 lakhs package.
Learn using powerful tools like Power BI, Python, Excel, SQL, Power Automate, Power Apps, and VBA macros.
Today, financial knowledge alone is not enough for high-paying roles. Analytics and technology skills are equally essential as job requirements continue to evolve with automation. Eligibility for PGDM, BCom, BBA, BSc, BTech. Eligibility for BCom, BBA, 12th from Intermediate Board, CBSE, ICSE. Get into financial reporting. Start your career in trade settlement. Get into higher positions at the younger age. Global careers begin here. Welcome to Planet Finance.